Obasia will be anyway. Aki Keliwe. Give ya kuwa. Give what a bagedundi way. I can do what I tell Fiji Jindeliwe. I forgot Beliwe. You won't you. Ikaro Wuru. Obasia will be anyway. Aki wako patu nugungu te pato pa momba jime kwa bogolondi fejukwa. Oh yeah, baby. Aki swafia sompa. Give he. Give paru taraparofo. Give jiri majindeji. Wonya dege maga waito. Aki wako kepo. Makekpo ni burunke ndundwe kuha. Aki woki fufu ya kwenye jeje wa minko. Ibeleo. Okamri na mogwe ni mele. Osobyo tongbo ibele. Apakundi kom ibele. Ibwa yiju koko ibele. Oguzo kangwa ibele. Ibele. I hear say you know the chop gari, you know the chop pakpo, you know the swallow semo, you know the eat rice, you know the chop shawarma, Papa, you know they eat pizza. Now only the praises will come from the bottom of my heart. Papa, receive my praises, receive all honor, receive adoration, Almighty Father. You are the only fire that burned the bush and the bush was not consumed. The only possibility that exists in the midst of impossibility. The only oracle that comes to the tabernacle to tackle my obstacle without leaving any particles. I call you the Lord God Almighty. Ogbongo in diversity. You are the audacious in brutality. You never went to university. But the capability of your mentality supersedes the totality of professors, even at your conformity. At the mention of his identity, principalities and perplexity. Despite the density of your responsibility, there is no backup for impossibility. Lift up your hands and call him. You are that God that swallowed the chariots and the horses and all the armies of Egypt in the Red Sea. You are that God that raised an emergency spring water in the wilderness when the children of God were looking for water to drink. You gave them water. You are that King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. You are the Lion of the tribe of Judah. When King Nebuchadnezzar wanted to boast that he's the king of the whole earth, you sent him into 7 years IT inside the bush. When Belshazzar wanted to mess up with your properties, you came and wrote on the wall, many tekelu fase. All the magicians and the astrologers, even the wizards, they could not interpret the handwriting on the wall. Even people used to call him what they were about. Ntantamri de bogwe, isi yikendo, okabakaba mwokoko, okpuzu akpomwa, olori feloroji, nwaboro ago, arufu alafomo, ofonyo ralide nasun nabiarwela, omehi, olakurome, obinugu, obinandeta, unu toya igbo.